Designs. Today I will be making this rather cute Pudsey cake for children in need. What you will need is yellow flour paste, white flour paste, red, blue and green flour paste. As you can see, we need to make the dots of his bandage. So what I've got here is some yellow flour paste. And what we're going to do, we're going to roll it out. What you will need to cut it is a cutter. I got this one from Lakelands. It makes many shapes, or you can just use a glass. It is up to you. So what you want to do is just knead your flour paste into a ball, and then what we're going to do is add a bit of icing sugar to the table. Give it a good roll out. As you can see, this is sticking for some reason today. And then you get your cutter, make a circle, and you have his face. Put that to one side. And we're just going to quickly make his ears with this oval shape. I like to make two oval shapes if I can, because I find that if I don't, the ears look wonky, and you don't want a wonky bear with ears, do you? With wonky ears, sorry. Right, and then once you have done that, now to make your ears, if you haven't got this cutter, you'll have to find something smaller. Either a pen lid or something of that nature. So I'm going to just put them on top of each other and then cut it like that. They're not the ones I want, they're the big ones. So once you've got your circle, just check you've got his ears. Now some nice ears on him. And you want to kind of like mould them into his face a little bit. Then if you'd like, you can put the edible glue on, or just dab a bit of water on it with a paintbrush, or a proper icing brush. And you want to put him to one side with his ears, and we're going to make his bandage across his eyes. If you would like to make blush, you may do so. Now blush is different to Pudsey because she is brown. So you would need to do the exact same but with brown flour paste. And then she has a bow, so you would have to make a bow out of icing. We just okay, so there is that. This is the white one, and we're going to cut a circle again to make his bandage, and then we're going to cut this circle in half to about here. So we're going to bring Pudsey back down again, and we're going to lay this across his face just here. So it goes just, you want the little, there's like a little pointy bit there, you want that, so it goes just about there. You don't want any yellow showing. Just mould it around his face like so. You want the point where his bandage goes, you want it behind his eye. So that is out the way. Bring the yellow back again to make a yellow dot for his bandage, because he has a yellow dot on it. You can do that with a pen lid or something, and put that to one side. And you also need red, blue. I've got lots of yellow on here, and I've got red and I've got blue. What I haven't got is green. So we need to make a little green one. And what you'll also need to make Pudsey's face is this. This is a felt tip you can draw on icing, so you can eat it. It's a cake pen from Sainsbury's. Just give it a quick roll and then it gets stuck. Doesn't need to be perfect or anything, and you're just making a couple of circles. You can do this with an old pen lid or something if you have not got that cutter. So you just want like a couple. So once you've done that, put green to one side or whatever colour you have got, and bring Pudsey back down again. This is where we're going to put in his eyes, and you will need his polka dot on his thing. So what you will need is your dots and either edible glue or water. Now you want to gently put them on there, like you can put them in any old order you like. Or you can copy Pudsey's pattern on his bow. I have appeared to have run out of red, so I'm just going to use what colours I have got left to make this. Or if you'd like to do the original Pudsey, he was all red. So there is his polka dot banner, as you can see. I did run out of yellow because he has yellow around the outside and then just 2 or 3 of those. And then we want to do is get your pen, or if you're very clever you could paint it on. I'm going to do this. What you want to do is draw an eyebrow, like so. And then you want to draw a nice circle. And then whilst you're doing that, you want to just gently colour that in. Do not press too hard because you will go through the flour paste. Like so. And then you want a teddy bear's nose, which is kind of like that. Kind of round and then down. Like so, it's teddy bear's nose. And then a big smile, like so. Then you will need to find a cake. Preferably one with a good sturdy top. Then you can use the edible glue or water or icing sugar to put your Pudsey face on. Now I'm just going to lay mine on just like so. And there you have it, a beautiful, very cute Pudsey cake. So that is how to make Pudsey's face. Oh, it's falling off the cake. And that is how to make the beautiful Pudsey Cupcakes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to, you can donate to children in need and buy yourself a Pudsey pair of ears or any t-shirts you would like. I will leave the website where you can get your t-shirts from in the description box below. So then, that is all I have got time for today. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I will see you next time with another baking video. Goodbye.